everyone. Welcome and welcome back to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn is back in the kitchen today. Not to look about chicken in the kitchen, but to show you a quick and easy recipe. It's peanut plantain porridge. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, welcome. And to all my YouTuber subscriber, supporter, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. I thank you. I feel so elated because of you. I can do what I'm doing on YouTube because of your support. So let's get started. 1 green plantain, 1 cup of raw peanut, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using the Himalayan salt. 1/3 cup of coconut milk powder. Some sweet milk, condensed milk for sweetening. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And the nutmeg, cinnamon powder. You can use cinnamon powder. Or you can use cinnamon leaf. So I'm using the cinnamon leaf today. The cinnamon leaf is looking just like this. So let's move on. Moving on. Cinnamon leaf, we're gonna place it in the pot along with the salt. You have to rinse the peanut. Let's rest it aside. And you begin the planting, you're gonna begin here at the navel. And about 1 inch, you cut halfway like this. And then you're gonna use a knife and you're gonna slice right at the end where you stop, just like this. Not too far, you don't wanna put the knife too far in the skin, in the meat of the plantain. And you take the head, just like this. You don't remove them, they're still there. And then you're gonna rinse under some cold water. You just wanna put it in some water. So when you put it in the water that I just did, it just help you, the skin, to get off much easily. And you just slide your finger like this. You're just gonna use the side of your finger and you're gonna slide it right there. You see it lifting, not your nail. You just use the side, right? Like just like that. And you slide it up, like just like this, right to the top there. And then you pop. You break like that, and you just use the side of your finger just like this, and you're gonna cut, you're gonna slice it up. You need your NutriBullet or you need a grater. So with the coconut powder, here is 1 cup of water. And this is a teacup, so it's 1.5 cup if you're using your measuring cup. So I pour it in and I'm gonna pour the coconut milk powder in. You can use more coconut milk powder if you want. And you mix it until it becomes smooth. You see, you have no lump in it. Now you're gonna put the peanut in and the plantain. Beautiful people, please remember to subscribe to D Dawn Kitchen, to like this video, to share the video with a friend, a friend, a friend of a friend. Hit the notification bell so when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So we're gonna put the coconut milk on the banana, on the plantain, and the peanut. And we're gonna place it on the NutriBullet. So now the cinnamon leaf is boiling, the water is looking, you see, the water changed color and everything. So all that spice are being added to the water. Now we're coming in with the peanut, and you want to stir it, the peanut and the plantain. And you definitely have to stir this and reduce the flame. So now I put the stove on 2. You don't want to keep this covered because everything will boil over on the fire. So you just place the lid halfway, just like that. And let us grate on the nutmeg. And the plantain is gluten free, and it's full, it's rich in magnesium and potassium. Also, the peanut is a good source. It's good for the heart. It can prevent gallstone, and it's even good for your skin to give you that glowy, pretty skin. So we don't need too much nutmeg because the nutmeg will let the peanut and your plantain porridge to have a biterish taste. So you don't need too much. Just like half a teaspoon or quarter teaspoon is enough. I put the nutmeg in a little water because sometimes when you put the nutmeg in the porridge, it have a tendency to become lumpy. So I'm mixing it out with a little water. I'm going to let it sit there for like 2 minutes in the water before I add it to the porridge. You have to just continue stirring this, and it don't take long. You can always remove the cinnamon leaf from it because you already get all the flavor from this, because remember it was boiling in the water before. So just remove it. If you don't remove it, it will cake in the bottom of the pot. Put the nutmeg in now. Peanut plantain porridge, and it take like 8 to 10 minutes and we are done. And you don't need any flour in this. You don't need any flour or any cornstarch. Because the plantain, it have that thickness in it. So it thicken by itself. Also the peanut. Look at this, guys. So 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna add the vanilla in. Remember, 1 to 2 teaspoons. It is 10 minutes, and look at our plantain peanut porridge, guys. Ain't it looking delicious? And now this is the time you're gonna use your sweet condensed milk, because we're sweetening this, or you're gonna use your honey, maple syrup, whatever sweetener you so desire. So we're gonna put the milk in, and I'm not a person of too much condensed milk or sweet milk in anything. So we're going in with the milk. We're sweetening with the condensed milk. And I think this is enough milk for me. You can go in now with your sugar. And this much, this is not even half a tin of milk. Because I used it sweeten something yesterday. Because I'm not a milk person. You can use Lasco dry milk powder, anything you want to use, guys, to sweeten your real Jamaican green plantain peanut porridge. So it'll bubble up. And 10 minutes now. And you're going to turn the fire off. So beautiful people, our peanut green plantain porridge is now ready. So give it a try, guys. You will love it. And it's so delicious and creamy. I'm telling you, guys. So please be sure to subscribe and like this video and share the video with a friend of a friend. Just don't keep it to yourself. Show them. I'm telling you, guys, please be safe. I thank you all beautiful people for watching D Don Kitchen. See you on my next video.